Hello everyone, I'm here at Disney's Animal Kingdom and I'm about to go to DinoLand for the very last time and hopefully ride Dinosaur. So tomorrow is actually the very last day that DinoLand U.S.A will be open, but I will not be in town, so this is my last opportunity to ever see DinoLand. It's like 6 p.m. right now. The park is open until 8 p.m. tonight, which is nice because it's not usually open that late, but it is so cold, so I'm gonna run in there and probably run right out. It's supposed to get to about 30 degrees tonight, so be prepared. Earlier it looked like Dinosaur was about a 2-hour wait. These birds. So a lot of this is already closed off. But Dinosaur is still open. Here's what's to come. Yeah, so not a whole lot to see outside of walls. Let's go check out the Dinosaur wait time. But yeah, they kind of closed everything in this area in phases. Yeah, there's not really anybody here now. I think the cold is kind of kicking people out. But apparently earlier I saw on the internet there's a line to get a photo with the dinosaurs. Like insane. See, right now it's an 85-minute wait. It's better than 120. Okay, here is Restaurantosaurus. Theming in here is cool, and it's warm in here, so it's a good place to be right now. So this is another room in the restaurant that's also closed at the moment, I believe. Oh wait, no, I think we can go this way. Dino Bite Snacks. This is actually a really cool restaurant. Pretty cool place to sit. Yeah, I don't think I ever realized that you could like sit in there. But honestly, I love Animal Kingdom, but I think the fact that they don't really stay open late, I come here less than every other Disney park. And usually when I do, I come, maybe look at a couple animals, ride Everest, go to Pandora, and I think I've eaten Pandora pretty much every time. So I don't always come and check out every single thing. Detour and go eat at Tusker House, and then I'll do DinoSaur at the very end of the night. So we're gonna join a walk-up list for Tusker House. It says it's a 10-minute wait. Right now it is 6:50. So hopefully I can eat in 40 minutes and then book it over to Dinosaur before the park closes. So this is a buffet. We've actually not eaten here in years. We're gonna check out the buffet. Mickey is right beside the table, but I don't have time to lunch. It's a video, but here, let me show you my shirt. He likes my shirt. Oh, and we got Daisy. It's a video. Oh, there we go. I'm like cramming all this food in. It looks so good though. I got this African blonde. It's pretty good. It's got some chocolate on top. We gotta book it. Okay, we're running.
Institute has created the Time, an amazing vehicle that will literally transport you to the age of the dinosaurs. Spectacular creatures to ever walk the earth.
Hello there. Welcome to our little trans-dimensional joyride, folks.
Place all loose items in the pouch in front of you. Fasten your seatbelt and remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the time rope. The road comes to a complete stop.
Seatbelts are right to left, loose items and second down.
This is Seeker. Listen up. We've got to get in, grab the Iguanodon, and get out before the asteroid hits. Let's roll!
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
Warning, meteor shower in rain all around us. Hadrosaur. Raptor.
Time to get serious. That's it! Abort mission! Abort! Abort!
Iguanodon.
Forget it! Get them out now!
Asteroid impact.
Brace yourself! This is it! They're not gonna make it! They're not gonna make it!
Mission accomplished.
You made it! I knew you would. And guess who made it back with you? I better find him before security does.
Please gather personal belongings from the pouch in front of you. Time travelers, place all loose items in the bin.
Nothing really ride specific. There's a lot of dinosaur stuff.
I got one decent one. 4 with everything like for the most part working. And we were like turned everything off. They turned everything off, so it was
Well, that is it for my time here at Disney's Animal Kingdom and for my last ever ride on Dinosaur, my last visit to DinoLand, all that. I'm really sad, but I'm glad I was able to make it one last time. I'm excited to see how the Encanto Land goes, but it's too cold. I'm headed out. On that note, subscribe if you haven't already. Click the notification bell so you get notified for all our content. Share this video out. Smash the like button. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, all that. I'll see you all next time. Bye, everyone.